Go potty. Oh no. You are not going back outside. No, you're not.
Come on, nah.
Where you taking everything,
Let's
folks?
go get in the tub. Come on.
Down you come. Come on.
Sit. Sit.
No. You are not yawning. No.
Lorna.
Hands slapping.
Are you mad? Come here. Come. Come.
Are you okay? Junie.
What have you done? Miller, come on! Oh my God!
We're going to hear about how their dream home became.
I love you so much.
Is there a wild animal in our house? Who did this? Stop. Okay.
Oh shit.
Look at this. How in the hell did you get way up there?
Frank? You need a fucking hard hat on, Frank. Steel toes, you little fucker.
Pino. She doesn't want to play right now.
The light. Right here. Hold it still. You're not a very good helper.
Show me your sore foot. Oh, you poor thing.
Hey, what the? Hey, calm down. Yeah. Now what the fuck is that?
I'm so handsome. I am so handsome.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I just, oh, you.
FaceTime you? You got a big iPhone? Oh,
Oh no.
No. No.
Miles, what are you doing?
Oh no, she's pooing. No, I've caught it. Masito con Arturo. Masito, masito. Abajo, pata.
I think I like this little life. It's been a minute, but he back at it.
You're gonna sit over there now?
Yes, I see you.
Nope. Oh, okay. Oh.
Where'd the dog go? Oh. Shit, oh.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, you sweet angel thing. Oh, you're so sweet.
You whisper bark. You go woof. Yeah, like that. Woof. Good job.
Yes.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Don't move.
Crazy. She's acting crazy out here.
In the house, if you're gonna whine.
Winston. She's chewing on your tail, man.
Whoa! Whoa, are you the boss of this?
Okay, so we can go potty real quick and then you can come back in and play. Okay? Thank you. Oh! Yeah! Good night!
Right here. Give me kisses. Give me.